This deadly pill combo could be in your cabinet. Serotonin Syndrome explained. You took your medication as prescribed, but now your body is shaking and confused. What's happening? This is Serotonin Syndrome, a dangerous condition from too much serotonin in your brain. It usually occurs when two or more medications interact, even over-the-counter ones. Many people, including doctors, miss the signs until it's too late. This isn't rare, just rarely discussed. Meet Anna, a healthy 32-year-old mom. She took an antidepressant and a migraine pill. Days later, she was rushed to the ER with a scary 104-degree barn fever and muscle spasms. Doctors nearly dismissed it as a virus until the drug combo was identified. She was just 1 hour away from organ failure. What saved her? A pharmacist's sharp eye. Watch for mental symptoms, anxiety, hallucinations, and confusion. Physical symptoms include a fast heart rate, high blood pressure, and twitching muscles. Danger signs are high fever, seizures, and even coma. Act fast if you feel off after medication. High-risk combos include SSRI with Tramadol or antidepressants with migraine meds. Even natural supplements can increase your risk for serotonin syndrome. Stay safe. Always tell your doctor about every med and supplement you're taking. Use one pharmacy to keep track of your medication interactions. Always ask your doctor if a new combo could raise serotonin levels. If symptoms arise, don't hesitate. Seek help right away. You know your body best. You deserve to feel better, but also to be safe. Take charge of your health. Pharmacy.FYI is dedicated to exposing the truth behind medications for your safety. Share this video. Your action could save a life. You're not alone in this journey. Stay informed. You don't just take pills, you protect your future. Pharmacy.FYI. Pharmacy reimagined for a healthier tomorrow. Subscribe for more life-saving drug information and be proactive in your health. Join the community and stay safe. Together, we can spread awareness.